Hey, Aaron Adams here with Infinity Investing. We've been absolutely blown away at the amount of new members that we have joining every month. We're a collection of real estate investors, attorneys, CPAs. They got together and decided to cut out the middleman. And so not only have we created an amazing collection of online classes that you can start listening to today, but we also have been very proactive about putting live rooms together so that you can join us every week. So for example, every Monday at noon, I host a live Q&A session for investors. So they'll send me videos of properties to help them do budgets on and deals to run the numbers on. The combination of online resources, weekly and monthly live trainings where you can hop online and join us via Zoom, and then our live and in-person events where you can get educated. That's the combination that we feel like we've cracked this formula to helping you not only get educated, but to move forward, to figure out how to reduce your taxes, to make money in investing, to make money from the stock market, to do it safely and in a way that's going to build your legacy and your money for the long run. Click on the link below. Please join me. Would love to have you be with us and join us and be part of this amazing community.